Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Forest River 28DS. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. FR3 Crossover Gas Motorhome. The FR3 Crossover Motorhome combines the best features, family-friendly livability and affordability of an easy-to-drive Class C motorhome with the space, convenience, and styling of a Class A motorhome. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.